Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of robot vacuums. We'll be comparing the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum with the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. Let's dive in and see how these two products stack up against each other. Let's start with the price. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum comes in at $599, while the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is priced slightly higher at $799. So if budget is a concern, the Shark AI might be the more affordable option for you. Both of these robot vacuums offer powerful cleaning technology, but they have different approaches. The Shark AI features Matrix Clean, a precision matrix grid that ensures no spots are missed during cleaning. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus uses the same powerful vacuum technology as the Roomba J7 Plus, but also includes a mop function for a comprehensive clean. Convenience is key when it comes to robot vacuums, and both of these models offer self-emptying capabilities. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum has a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus automatically empties its bin on its own for up to 60 days, making sure you don't have to worry about vacuuming for months. When it comes to navigation and mapping, both of these robot vacuums excel. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum features 360 degrees lidar vision, allowing it to quickly and accurately map your home for efficient cleaning. Similarly, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus uses advanced navigation and 2 cleaning passes to navigate your home in neat, efficient rows for a thorough clean. If you have pets at home, you'll want a robot vacuum that can handle their messes. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is perfect for homes with pets, thanks to its powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, and self-empty system. The iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus also prioritizes pet messes with its pet owner official promise, ensuring it steers clear of your pet's waste. Now, let's talk about some additional features. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum offers hands-free control with voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It also has extended runtime with its Recharge and Resume feature, allowing it to pick up where it left off after recharging. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus allows you to create no mop zones using the iRobot Home app, ensuring it avoids mopping your carpets. Based on online reviews, the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum is praised for its performance, efficient mapping, and allergy-friendly features. Reviewers recommend improvements in features such as no-go zones and voice command capabilities. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is praised for its efficiency, intuitive app, and effective auto-empty base. However, some reviewers have concerns about the mapping process and cleaning performance on thick pile carpet. And that concludes our comparison between the Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum and the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus. Both of these robot vacuums offer unique features and cleaning capabilities. Ultimately, the choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.